St. Louis students who head back to school in just 21 days. The superintendent has been placed on leave after a year on the job, while student transportation is in limbo. 5 on your side's Laura Barcheski heard from the school board president, who spoke on camera for the first time today. Laura?
Kelly, the board president was very vague when discussing their concerns about the superintendent, but says they're ready for school. Parents, however, see it differently.
Crystal Barnett says as a St. Louis parent and CEO of Bridge to Hope, which advocates for quality education, she is worried about the state of St. Louis public schools.
It's glaringly obvious that we have leadership that has failed us across the board.
The first hurdle came at the beginning of July. The school board approved an emergency transportation plan after their previous vendor canceled their contract.
They wanted parents to come in and sign off if they were parents that were drivers, but a lot of parents still haven't done that. So there's still people who don't know how their kids are getting to school.
And then on Friday, SLPS placed Superintendent Dr. Keisha Scarlett on leave, naming Dr. Millicent Borishade as the interim. School board president Tony Cousins says she can't go into detail about what led to this.
That's actually a personnel matter. But right now, there's a lot that's going on in regards to the district. There's been some concerns.
Barnett says the financial state of the district is also questionable. It had a $17 million surplus and now could run a $35 million deficit. She thinks the whole board should have been removed.
The superintendent was a scapegoat for something that the district already knew was potentially a issue from years past. They've tried to ostracize people that had been working with the district for years. All of those were board decisions.
How do you think this is going to impact the kids and the families?
A lot of kids might not be at school on the first day. Kids might miss instruction. Some teachers might resign, right? So this didn't just affect students, it also affects the staff.
In a letter to the district, Mayor Tashara Jones offered assistance from the city and even former SLPS staff. Cousins says the district is prepared for students to come back.
We're making sure that we are ready for the first day of school, and we need all hands on deck to make sure that happens.
The American Federation of Teachers put out a statement tonight saying, in part, we have confidence in the fiscal health of the district and the viability of all policy and salary agreements between management and the union. They are scheduled to hold a press conference tomorrow. Reporting live in St. Louis, Laura Barcheski, 5 on your side.